Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Big Progress channel. I am so happy you are here.
Yes. Hi, everyone, and hello, Hana. I feel excited today.
Before we start, let's do a quick hook because this is important. Hey, listeners, if you want your English to get better every day,
And if you want to learn English in a simple, friendly, and fun way,
then you are in the right place.
yes, this is the Big Progress channel, where English becomes easy.
So please, if you enjoy learning with us, click like.
And hit subscribe so you never miss a new episode.
And please, leave a comment below. Tell us where you are listening from.
We read every comment, so don't be shy.
Okay, Lamb, how are you today?
I'm doing great. I feel fresh. I slept very well last night.
Good. A good sleep is like saving energy.
Yes, I save energy better than I save money.
Oh, Lamb. Saving money is exactly our topic today.
Really? Nice. I need that.
So today, we will talk about money.
Oh, wow. A big topic.
Yes, but don't worry. We will keep it very simple.
Good, because money sounds difficult sometimes.
True. But today, we use easy English words, short sentences, and friendly examples.
Perfect for beginners.
Today's goal is learn simple words about money, understand needs and wants, learn what a budget is, learn small, simple ways to save money.
Great. I want to save money for a new phone.
See, you already have a goal. Let's begin. First, let's learn some easy words. The first word is money.
Easy. Money is what we use to buy things.
Yes. Next word, spend.
Spend means to give money to get something.
Correct. For example, I spend money on food.
I spend money on coffee.
Good. Next word, save.
Save means to keep money for later.
Exactly. You don't use the money now. You keep it. Next word, price.
Price is how much something costs.
Perfect. And cost means the same idea. Next, two important words, need and want.
Oh, yes, I remember these.
Great. We will talk about them more in a moment. And last word for now, budget.
Budget sounds serious.
Don't worry, I will explain it in a super easy way. Okay, Lamb, let's talk about needs and wants.
Yes, I think I know, but maybe I'm wrong.
A need is something you must have to live.
Like food,
Yes, food is a need.
water,
Yes, water is a need.
a home.
Yes, a place to live is a need.
So needs keep us alive.
Exactly.
And wants are different, right?
Yes, a want is something you would like to have, but you do not need it to live.
Like a video game
Exactly.
or a very expensive jacket
Yes.
or bubble tea every day.
Yes, Lamb. Bubble tea every day is a want.
Oh no, my life is full of wants.
That's okay. Many people are the same.
But I understand. Needs first, wants second.
Perfect. This idea helps you spend money better. Now let's talk about something important. A budget.
Yes, teach me. I need this.
A budget is a plan for your money.
A plan?
Yes, a plan that helps you see two things: money in, money out.
Money in is the money I get.
Yes, your salary or money someone gives you.
Money out is what I spend.
Yes, money for food, rent, coffee, everything.
So a budget is like a map.
Yes, a map for your money.
Nice. Maps help you not get lost.
Exactly. A budget helps you not get lost with your money.
Do I need a computer to make a budget?
No,
Really?
you only need a notebook and a pen.
Oh, easy.
On one page, write money in.
Okay.
On the other side, write money out.
Got it.
And during 1 month, write down everything you spend.
Everything?
Everything, lamb. Even a small snack.
Even a candy?
Yes, because small things add up.
It's true. A $2 snack every day is a lot in 1 month.
So now we know needs, wants, budgets, and simple saving tips.
Yes, and I feel ready to change my money habits.
Great, because next we will talk about
Oh, what is next?
something very practical, something real.
I'm curious.
Okay, Lamb. Now let's move to the next part. This is the fun part. We will look at real examples. Very simple, very clear.
Nice. I like examples. They help me understand faster.
Yes, and examples help you remember. Today, our topic is daily conversations you must know. So now we will practice real life conversations. Ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. First, a very simple conversation. I say, "Hey, Lamb, how's it going?"
And I can answer, it's good. How about you?
Perfect. This is very natural English. Not too formal, not too long. Just friendly.
I like this because it feels real. People say this a lot in movies.
Yes. You can also say, "I'm okay," "I'm doing well," or even "not bad."
Not bad means okay, right?
Yes. Native speakers use it all the time. Next example. This is about daily life. I say, "What did you do today, Lamb?"
I say, I went to work. It was a busy day.
Good. Short, clear, natural.
And I can also say, I stayed home today. Or I went shopping.
Exactly. The goal is simple. Keep your sentences short. Keep your words basic. This helps beginners speak faster. Another important daily situation: asking for help. Very, very useful.
Yes, I always worry about this.
No need to worry. Just say, "Excuse me? Can you help me?"
That's easy.
Or you can say, could you say that again, please?
Ah, I always need that. People speak fast.
Exactly. Those phrases help you survive. Small talk is important. Simple questions, short answers, friendly tone.
Okay. Example?
Good. Here. What do you like to do in your free time?
And I can answer, I like cooking, or I like playing games, or I like reading.
Perfect. Very natural, very beginner friendly. Let's try a mini practice. I ask, you answer. Short answers only.
Okay.
Okay. How's your day?
Pretty good.
What do you like to do after work?
I like to relax and watch videos.
Nice. One more. Can you say that again?
Sure, no problem.
You see, you sound very natural already.
Thank you. This feels fun, like a real conversation.
That's the goal. Now, let's make a quick review. A short, simple summary so listeners can remember easily.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay. Today, we learned how to say 1. How to say hello naturally. 2. How to talk about your day. 3. How to ask for help politely. 4. How to make small talk. And 5. How to answer using short, simple sentences.
And we practiced real conversations. Very helpful.
Yes, if you remember only the simple versions, you can speak English every day. Just small steps, small progress, but big progress.
Nice. I like that.
And to everyone listening, thank you for spending time with us today. We love learning with you.
Yes, and we hope this simple conversation helps you speak English more naturally.
If you enjoyed this episode, please support our work. Hit the like button, leave a comment to practice your English, and of course, subscribe to Big Progress Channel.
When you comment, you can write a simple sentence. Something like, today's episode was useful. Or, I practiced the examples.
Yes, we read your comments, and we love hearing from you. Your interaction helps our channel grow, and it helps you practice English too.
Thank you, everyone. Let's keep learning together.
See you in the next episode of Big Progress. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep making big progress.